I got a ton of crap to Florida, too much stuff in New Jersey. I don't know what I'm gonna do. There's no room in my warehouse. I'm exploded to the outside. Packed, I can't even get down. I don't want to talk about that right now, but this is the aisle. Look, this is, oops, I can't even get through. I'm gonna fall. Look, there's so much stuff. Warehouse leaking to outside. Everybody, here we go. We're loading up the big ass wagon right now that's headed down to multiple places down in Florida. We only have about 600 cube on here, so we're gonna fill this whole big truck up with furniture and household goods heading south. Stuff. Everything in this truck going on that truck right now. Yeah, that's right. This is the big truck. And here we are, we're still out here loading up the big ass wagon going out to Florida. About half full. We still have about 2,000 cubic feet to put on out of the total 4,100 cubes that the truck could actually hold. So we're getting there, almost done. Another few hours and this truck will be ready to ship. 888 Move stuff up and down the coast the most. Got one duck. What is
Hey, you want some good footage? You got.
So we're out here loading up the big ass wagon heading out to Florida. It's getting a little rowdy out here now. Richie turned around and said, I should take a video of these nuts. Now I don't know if he's talking about these nuts or if he means, or if he's talking about those nuts. I really don't know what kind of nuts he's talking about, but he can keep his personal nuts business to himself. Almost done.